Now I have to introduce our cryo system machine for you. This machine have five pieces handles. This is a big cryo handle. This is small cryo handle. Here is the 40,000 Hz cavitation. This is for body slimming. And here is the 5 mK has half body. Here is our face. First, when you use this machine, you have to open this machine. You have to open the power, and then you have to put the water. 进去的这个。
左边是进，右边是出。
You have to put the water into the machine. At least 5 liter water. At least 5 liter water. After the water full, you can use this machine. Now we have to operate this machine. 我们是先身体。
都可以，就按平常的。
If you use for the body slimming, first you have to use the cavitation. Here is the cavitation. We put here, and this is cavitation screen. Here is the intensity. Here is motor. Intensity have intensity from 0 to 10. Here you can adjust. And here is the motor. Motor has 3 motor. Do like this, like that. Yes, this is 3 motors. Intensity is 0 to 10 intensity. And when you use this cavitation, first you have to normally you have to use 1, and you try on the patient body. You ask the patient. If the patient thinks it's okay, you can adjust 3. And you ask the patient feeling. If patient thinks it's okay, you can adjust 5. So when you use these handles, you have to talk with the patient. If patient is think it's okay, you can adjust. If the patient don't think it's not good, you can reduce. And here is start. When you start, you use this machine. This is 40K cavitation. When you use it, you can try. So normally, you try. You can try on your hands, by your hands, and just 4, 6. Okay, my friend, just do like this. Just do like this. For body, you have first you have to put the gel. Put the gel on the body, and then you can use this hand. Now I just give you. Now I just show you. When you use it, you can hear the sound. You can hear. Okay, do like this. This is pause. This is return. Now return. Okay, this is 40K cavitation is okay. Then you have to use the cryo system. This. You see this screen. This is the intensity from the weak to strong. Weaker, get strong, most strong. And here is start. This is return. And this cryo system screen have 2 hands. This is one big, this is small. When you use, when you use on the patient, first you have to use the anti-freezing membranes. You put the anti-freezing membranes on the patient body. You can use this hand, and normally you can start. Now we can start. Okay. This is for small chronic cyst hand, and when you start, you have to put the weight stronger, more stronger. You have to waiting for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here has this hand inside have the code. My friend, it's about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You have to wait. After you can use this hand. You see? Now the temperature is very cold. I can hear the ice. You can see the ice. Now it's not clearly. After the ice is very too much. Okay, when you use this handle, you have to use from the intensity from too weak to stronger. Normally we use this. We put here. This is the most weak. You can, and you see this handle. This is start. This is release. This is vacuum. Now it's the release. Here is vacuum pressure. Vacuum. This is up. 3.5, 4. Vacuum 4. This is a release time. When you adjust here, you can use this handle. You see? Normally, you have to put the anti-freeze membranes on the patient body, and then you can do like this. When the patient feel is so good, it's okay. You can adjust this is the intensity. If the patient thinks it's no good, you can reduce. Okay, do just like this.
这两个功能差不多，
差不多了。
对，就粗略简略说一下就可以了。
My friend, this hand, the operation is the same. So you can use this. Then you can first you use the small, then you use the big. And after you can use the half body. upper body for body sculpting, body shaping, fat cell, big nose, and stomach. So we have to use upper body. Put here, and this is the intensity. This is model. Model have 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Intensity from 0 to 10. Now stop. This handle. Okay, my friend, do just like this. This is upward hand is okay. And in the last row, we have to use the upper face. Upper face is just for face lifting, skin rejuvenation, face wrinkle remove. This is for face. And the model from the 0 to 10. Here is the model 3 models. Okay, you can try by your hands. My friend, when you feel the hand is okay, you can use it, put it on face, do like this. But first you have to put the gel on face, then you can use this handle. Okay. My friend, now it's finished. Okay, it's finished.